right, so you're thinking about how to make a model, and your model needs to try to answer this question. So how do molecules form from atoms? So we're trying to answer this question by making a model. So we're going to draw something. It says, what is a model? A model, for us right now, is a drawing. A drawing, very easy. We can do this. So any drawing that you want to make down here. Let's remember some things, though, about making models that'll help you. Your model should show your best understanding of what you remember. So whatever you remember in your observations, all these things that you learned from what you saw, your model should be based on what you remember or what you think is correct from what you saw. Think of it as a first draft of what you understand. So it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be your best effort from what you remember, what you understand. And it can, and today should represent your hypothesis. So you want it to be based on a hypothesis. And it's a model, or your drawing, should show a process or action, maybe before and after, or cause and effect. Models should have words and symbols, so maybe arrows or shapes, any symbol you can come up with, and maybe a key to explain what those symbols are. So again, you're going to create a model here, you're going to draw something, but you should use symbols and shapes and arrows, and it should represent a process or action. Your drawing should make it look like something's happening. Just like this model. This model shows two things moving to each other and then forming something else. It has shapes. It has arrows. It shows some attraction here. This is a pretty good model that shows atoms bumping into each other and making a molecule. This is a pretty good model showing charges and how the charges help form a chemical bond. This is a pretty good model that shows arrows and the symbols for charges, and it has some words added to show that these two push each other away and these two attract. Even the computer model that we did right here, this is a computer model showing atoms bonding. Notice it doesn't show charges, it doesn't show them moving. Not all models can show everything. Each model has its own purpose. Your model just needs to be something based on this hypothesis, and it is a way to answer this question. So your model is going to answer this question, this problem, and represent your hypothesis. Let's see what we wrote. It says, I think atoms form molecules by attractions that bring them together to form many atoms bonded as a molecule. So you should draw something here that shows them attracted and shows them coming together and forming bonds. So good luck. Draw the best one you can from your own creative mind. And just remember, it's just a first draft. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just your best understanding, your statement of understanding. Remember, this model is going to be a statement of what you understand. It's an SOU. All right, good luck.